Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to show you this tool that I recently found called Magi. It's an AI tool. It basically combines all the different LLMs into one platform. And I have no affiliation with them, just found them out, wanted to try it a little bit, and I thought it was pretty interesting, wanted to share it. And it's about 20 bucks a month for 100,000 words that the LLM spits out, but you can always upgrade, get a little bit more if you need to. And the usage is just how many words. And yeah, you can see all the LLMs that they provide. And what's good is you can pick which LLM you want depending on the task. Like Perplexity is good for research. The GPTs, Groks are pretty good for general usage. Gemini, I believe, I heard is better for coding, and the Claudes are good for copywriting, writing. And they have a really cool feature too, auto, that switches through models depending on what your prompt is exactly, and no need to change the chat if you decide to switch different models. You can context switch all within the same chat, which is pretty nice. And yeah, I think this tool would be really helpful for digital marketers, people getting into digital marketing. Yeah, even helping with general tasks. I think all of it is pretty great. So try it out. Comment below if you have or if you haven't. Let me know what you think. And that's all. See you guys next time.